Once you have your practice paper done, you're ready to do this assignment on your good paper, which is your folder. So I have my practice paper over here. It's already done. I have my letters done. My name was down here. And I have my good paper. What you're going to do is you're going to fold that paper in half to create your folder. We're going to line up the corners. Make sure this corner is lined up and also the other one. And you're going to go ahead and crease it. So I'm going to run my hand down until I get to the bottom half. I'm going to go ahead and crease that folder. So I should have my paper this direction. When we do our names, your names are actually going to be at the top. I have my paper horizontal and you can see the corners up here and my name is going to go this direction. So your lines and your letters are blocked out the exact same way we did it on your practice page. I have one folder that's almost done that I'm going to show you. So like I said, this is at the top. Had my lines and I kind of did a little bit of artwork with my name. Remember, the goal of your name is so that we can read it and know whose folder this is. So we will be asking you to keep it legible. So you can do some fun stuff with it. So I'm going to show you how to do this. This is just an option. You don't have to do it this way. But if you don't have anything else you can think of, we have this available. There's also a packet of different fonts that you can kind of stylize from. That doesn't need to be exactly what you see, but just take some ideas from it. I'm going to show you how I did the angle on the M up here and the R. What I did was just turn them into triangles. I did this first in pencil before I went over it with the Sharpie. So I have just a little space over here. I'm actually going to use my ruler for most of these. Just turning that into a triangle, and I'm going to do the opposite on this side because I don't want that to go outside of each block. So when I go to do my letters, if it helps you, you can erase these little spots in here, depending on what you're going to do. But we will run an eraser over your Sharpie when you're all done to get rid of some of those. That's how I might do one of the straight edge pieces. You could also do, with the A, I might do kind of the same thing, working on the inside here. Something like that. With the S or C or anything that's curved, all I did was take the edge of the letter and just bring it over and did the same on the bottom. And started somewhere in the center, and I want this curved part to be about the same. This is what I'm choosing to do. And just curving that inside. And then same on this side. So I could do solid colors inside. You could add stripes, polka dots, some other organic shapes inside. As long as we can read your name clearly. That's the objective of this part. And then after doing this, I'll show you again. The last time I did this, I curled the edges on the S for fun. The H is similar to how I did it on the other sheet, and so is the A. You could add a little bit of angle if you wanted to and kind of curve those around, and I did some different designs up in there. Then the rest of the folder's up to you. I want to see what you can do. So the design at the bottom could be whatever you want it to be. I chose to do some flowers. I had a Sharpie out. You could use colored pencil, a marker, and your teacher will provide you with other materials as well. Have fun.